Now to this, a new report by the American Lung Association shows nearly half of Americans are living with unhealthy levels of air pollution.
So Detroit ranked 6th worst for year-round average particle pollution. We were 13th on the list last year. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here to explain where this pollution is coming from and what impact it can have on our health. Doc.
Well, Ty and Kimberly, the pollution can come from factories, refineries, auto emissions, wood-burning stoves, wildfires, and more. Now, we talked with the director of the Advocacy for the American Lung Association in Michigan about Detroit's results and learned one event in particular was actually a big factor in our poor score.
In the summer of 2023, Canadian wildfires sent particle pollution soaring for several days, and not just here.
Looking at the data, the wildfire smoke had a really great impact on Detroit's outcome and even Midwestern states. So
those tiny solid and liquid particles can bypass our body's natural defenses, making their way deep into the lungs. The smallest particles can even pass into the bloodstream, causing harm to the lungs, heart, brain, and other organs. Another concern is ozone.
From the years 2021, 22, and 23, we had 6.2 days on average per year that had a unhealthy number of days regarding this category of ground level ozone pollution.
Breathing in ozone pollution can cause damage to our lungs, but it can also worsen many other health problems. The report doesn't mean our air is bad every day, but we need to pay more attention to know when it is.
You can check daily air pollution forecast at airnow.gov.
And there are things we can all do to help improve our air.
We can also take action to reduce our emissions. So if we have several errands to run in a week, rather than going to all those errands separately, we can combine some of them as much as we can based on our schedule.
Now, if you have any sort of breathing issues like asthma or COPD, it is important to pay attention to those days when the air quality is poor, because those are days when it is best to limit your time outside.
Yeah, makes sense. What do researchers say about how climate change might play a role in this?
Well, climate change definitely plays a role. I mean, keep in mind, warmer temperatures, that increases our ozone levels, and drought is raising the risk of wildfires. So this is going to be a concern for anyone with lungs, and that frankly includes all of us.
Okay, Dr. McGeorge, thank you.